So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to recover delete messages in your iPhone. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing is that you simply need to click on iMessage. So after that, you click on these three horizontal line up here. Once you're there, you click on current deleted. So you click on it. That's currently deleted, sorry. So after that, you're going to see the various messages in which you deleted, that is for the past 40 days. So let's say we want to recover this one and want to recover this other one. So after that, you click on recovered. So you click on recovered 68 messages. Yeah. So guys, we are going to verify. We'll go back and click on messages. From there now, those are the various messages in which we are just from recovering. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.